Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tita Mutiarani. I am from English Education and my NPM 1988203016. Okay, here are the answer from mid-test question. Number 1. According to someone, a good language is a language that can be developed by the user based on the rules arranged in system. And language is a symbol system of arbitrary speech sound used to communicate by the user community. Number 2, because homogeneous grouping in an educational environment is defined as putting students with the same level of teaching together, where they can work on the material that best suits their strengths and abilities, so they tend to have the same question and the same areas of difficulty. Number 3, the relationship between language and society is very good. The relationship between the two is deeply rooted. Language performs various functions in society and society does the same. If one is not present, the other will be affected. Language is the main tool for communication purpose to establish peace and order in our society, to demonstrate authority and power, and to achieve goals and objectives. Number 4, Chomsky based his theory on the assumption that language is part of the human component and a distinctive product of human reason. Because the element that distinguishes human from animal is the intelligence and the ability to think. For Chomsky, 1968. Grammar is a system of rules that connect sound and meaning. Number 5, in sociolinguistics, we can study the relationship between language and society. In other words, sociolinguistics studies the way language is used and use the place of used language, grammar level of language, various consequences of the contact of two or more languages. In addition, in sociolinguistics, we can also find out why people can speak differently and also can learn how people use the language in different social contexts. Number 6, sociology of language is basically the study of the relationship between language and society. In other words, the sociology of language studies public relations in relation of two languages. The society is the object of study in this file. Number 7, the linguistic method is a data collection accompanied by the method of or technique in the linguistic study. Usually, this linguistic method is carried out by language research as a guide and comparison based on existing data. Number 8, by examining the object of sociolinguistic study, which can be researched based on three steps, namely the provision of data, data analysis, and presentation of the result of the analysis. The basic concept of sociolinguistic studies is the concept of correlation. What is done in this field is to correlate language with social aspect or social culture of the community. There are two methods, namely correlation and matching, and also the material or linguistic data obtained must be naturally occurring language, should not be contrived. Number 9. In sociolinguistics, study include three things, namely language, society, and the relationship between language and society. So, sociolinguistics discuss or study language related to language speakers as member of society. Number 10, there are 45 countries that are interested in language studies in society, one of which is Vietnam. The country makes Indonesian the second official language. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.